Good morning, children. I hope you all are keeping well. I am Sweetie, your English teacher. Today we are going to do the first lesson of your literature book, which is A New House. The story is written by Neil Gaiman and is an extract taken from his novel Coraline. Now, something about the author. Neil Gaiman is an English writer famous for important fantasy works such as Stardust, American Gods, Coraline, and the Graveyard Book, and the epic graphic novel series The Sandman. Gaiman is an active voice on social issues as well, with his articles, blogs, and interviews and speeches widely followed. Now this is the picture from your textbook, children. You can see the girl Coraline. She is 11 years old. Now the explanation of the lesson. Coraline is the main character of the novel Coraline. The concerned chapter is a part of the novel. Coraline and her parents move into large odd house with expansive grounds. The parents work from home and give their daughter fairly little attention. Coraline is fidgety and in constant search of activities that will keep her involved and interested. On a particularly rainy day, Coraline is especially restless because her mother will not let her explore outdoors. Conversations, toys, videos, nothing holds her attention for long. Finally, her father sets her off on an indoor adventure, counting everything blue in the house. While busy with it, Coraline discovers a bricked up door that piques her interest momentarily. Later at night, Coraline tosses about in her bed, unable to sleep. She goes to inspect some strange noises that seem to be emanating from the hall. There she thinks she sees some bizarre black shadowy forms move about. She notices that the door which opened onto the wall is open despite the fact that her mother had locked it in the morning. She returns to her bed with more questions than answers. She dreams of little black shapes with red eyes and yellow teeth under the moon singing a creepy song. Coraline is disturbed in her sleep. Then she dreams of commercials. The chapter ends at this note. Now, the character sketch of the main character. Coraline is an 11 years old girl with various characteristics. Coraline is rather a skinny girl with spindly legs. Her appearance can be seen from the picture that has been printed in the novel. Coraline is adventurous, brave, curious, and creative. Last but not the least, the moral of the story. What makes you brave is doing something with courage, although you are scared. Thank you, children.